Everything you know about AI is wrong. And here's why most people fail to master it. Let me explain. Everyone thinks you need to be a tech genius to use AI effectively. Like you need a PhD in computer science or something. But here's what's crazy. A 65-year-old teacher just automated her entire lesson planning using AI. She had zero tech background. And get this, she did it in under 2 hours. The real problem isn't technical skills. It's how we're trying to learn AI. See, most people do it backwards. They try to learn everything about AI before using it. That's like refusing to drive until you can build an engine from scratch. But here's the mind-blowing part. The most successful AI users I've seen aren't tech experts. They're regular professionals who started small and built up gradually. Take Sarah, a marketing manager. She was terrified of AI 6 months ago. Now she's running campaigns that used to take weeks in just hours. The key? She stopped trying to learn everything at once. Instead, she focused on one simple task each week. By month 3, she was outperforming colleagues with years of tech experience. Now, let's unpack why this works. When you try to understand everything first, you fall into what's called paralysis by analysis. You consume hours of tutorials, blog posts, webinars, yet nothing sticks. It's like trying to learn to swim by reading every book on water safety. But AI is a use-first, learn-as-you-go skill. Like riding a bike. You don't master balance by theory. You get on the bike, wobble, and eventually glide. This is where most professionals, maybe even you, get stuck. You think you're not technical enough. You worry your brain isn't wired for this. Or worse, you tell yourself, maybe I'm just too late to the game. But here's the truth. You're not too late. You're just doing it the hard way. Think about it. You didn't take coding classes to learn your phone. You just opened it, tapped around, and figured things out. AI is becoming just as intuitive if you let go of perfectionism and start small. Now here's what nobody's talking about. While most people are still overwhelmed by random YouTube videos and old Reddit threads, there's a small group of professionals quietly mastering AI step by step and snatching up the best career opportunities. And here's the scary part. Every week you delay learning AI, you fall further behind. You're not just standing still, you're slipping professionally without realizing it. Your peers? They're learning to do in 1 hour what used to take them 10. They're automating reports, email outreach, proposals, analytics, tasks that you still do manually. And slowly, you're becoming the one people say things about like, wait, you're still doing that manually? Even my kid knows how to use ChatGPT. It stings, because deep down, you know you're capable, but you just haven't found the right way in. That's exactly why I created the AI Career Advantage, your professional playbook for thriving in the AI era. It's a no-fluff, step-by-step ebook designed for professionals like you who want to finally take control. It's not some 200-page theory dump. It's a practical roadmap. No jargon, no guessing, just clear actions broken into weekly wins. And here's what's wild. It's only $5. Yes, that's it. That's the cost of a latte to eliminate the anxiety, the information overload, and the fear that you're being quietly left behind. But here's the truth. If $5 feels like too much to spend on your future, then maybe staying stuck is the choice you're really making. Because this isn't about a book. This is about the version of you who finally knows how to leverage AI at work. The version of you who's not afraid of being replaced, but ready to lead. The version who gets asked, how did you get so good at this? So here's your decision point. You can close this tab and go back to piecing together tutorials and hoping for the best. Or you can grab the AI Career Advantage now and never feel behind again. Your career is evolving with or without you. It's time to evolve with it.